In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to use the new AlignMix task list. Now, the task list is basically like a to-do list that's built into the AlignMix software. To access the list, you simply make sure you're on the home menu, and then you click here on the far right where you see it's a task list. You click that, and it'll bring up the entire task list that you've already created. In this example, you'll see that it's completely blank. So we can start populating it with new tasks, like import data, create territories, and as soon as you click on close, those are stored within your AlignMix file. Going back to your task list, you'll see they appear here. If a task has been completed, you can click on the completed button, click close, and then when you reopen it, it'll show that it's been completed. You can also click here to hide completed tasks. Now, if you've created a list of to-dos in a different piece of software like Microsoft Word, Excel, or something else, you can copy that whole list, Control C to put it on your clipboard, and then in AlignMix, you'll be able to click on this button right here, and that will allow you to paste that whole list that you've created elsewhere directly here into your AlignMix task list. You can move tasks up and down by using these up-down buttons. You can click here to copy your list that you've created in AlignMix and then paste that list into another piece of software. And that's it. You've just learned how to use the task list that is found in AlignMix.